Hello, I'm Nora De Cruz, a lawyer, a co-founder, and a mother, 3 in 1. And I'm here today to introduce to you a wonder gadget. The IFB 10 in 1 Quartz oven, an appliance that does the job of 10 different machines. This new generation machine comes with 11 preset functions. So now, kickstart your day with multigrain buttered toast, or end your dinner date with perfectly crisp cupcakes. You don't need to fill up your kitchen with multiple appliances. The 11 preset functions include toast. Get a health kick in the morning with perfect egg toast. Bagel. Or give your day a fresh start with some hot croissants or baguettes. Bake. From banana cake to vanilla cake or even a flaxseed cake. Bake something new to brighten your spirits. Roast. Cook a perfect whole roast Indian spiced chicken in no time. Broil. Up your tandoor game with some restaurant-like homemade paneer tikka and tandoori chicken. Pizza. In the mood for pizza? Imagine baking a 12-inch margarita or even experimenting with a half and half. Cookies. Make butter buttons to melting moments to even chewy sugar cookies. Next time you crave something sweet. Reheat. Food delivery guy delayed your order? Or the cold weather made your delicious food cold? No problem. Just place the pre-cooked food in an oven-safe container and it'll remain fresh as it's cooked à la minute. Keep warm. Use the plate warmer to keep your food warm. Plus, it's safe to use ceramic dinner plates and soup bowls. Defrost. Finding it hard to use frozen chicken, fish, or even veggies? Defrost easily and efficiently at the press of a button. Dehydrate. Make your own sun-dried tomatoes, dehydrate curry leaves, or just about anything. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and use all the preset functions for delicious food time and again with your IFB 10 in 1 Quartz oven.